Hello, and welcome again to update number 4. This is update number 4 in regards to my motorcycle driving license. Today is my last day of theory lessons, and if my theory exam is going to be successful, then afterwards I have just done to do practice hours, and then I have a right to make appointment for the practice exam. So I really hope I will be able to pass this test from the first time. If not, it's not a problem, because they have appointments every week Wednesdays. So if I don't pass this test right away from the first time, I can do it next week. And of course that makes me one happy camper. But to be honest with you, when I practiced in an app what I received, there are so many tricky questions when you choose the answers, that's unbelievable. So in the first couple of times I did this test, I didn't pass at all. I have already looked for a type of bike what I want to buy after my successful motorcycle driving license. I mean, after I get one, of course. It's an adventure touring bike. Only thing I can say, it's not BMW GS. Forget about it. So if you have an interest in, put your comment down below what type of bike I want to buy.